Hey everybody, this is Jim with Colton RV and Marine. Wanted to bring you a special treat today. This is our boat of the week. It is a 2023 22-foot Geneva. The model of this is a LR PSB. It sports a automatic bimini. It is a triple tune, and what is powering this is a Yamaha 4-stroke, which is 150 horsepower, that you will receive a 3-year standard warranty on. So hop in the boat and we'll check out the interior. So the interior of this boat is actually a great layout for water sports. As you can see, I'm actually sitting in the position where I could watch a rider. And then my favorite part of this boat is, instead of dual captain seats, this one flips. So you have almost like a love seat here where 2 passengers can ride, or one can ride a little bit more comfortable. But this boat is gorgeous on the interior. It is sporting Sunchaser's brown interior, matched with its vinyl flooring, which is a teak seagrass. Moving on to the helm, guys, it is perfectly equipped with a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, which also doubles as a chart plotter. It is equipped with a upgraded JL audio sound system, a GPS speedometer, and interior floor lights. All right, guys, moving up front here, I wanted to show you how these twin benches work. Here you have 2 loungers for your riders to lounge out when you don't have a full boat. So in this position, these benches work great when you have 2 or 3 people sitting here. And then this portion here doubles as a backrest. And then what we also wanted to show you on the back side of this seat, for all the riders that need a toilet on the boat, here's your changing room. So you can use this for a porta potty out on the water, or to change in out of a bathing suit and into some sweats for an evening ride. So pretty easily deployed here. Same way it gets deployed, it stows away. Moving up to the front, again, Sunchaser's easy access doors. And what we like about Sunchaser is docking gives you a safe spot to get in and off the boat for your riders. So if this is the boat for you guys, this boat retails at $54,999 plus the trailer. It is the boat of the week here at Colton RV and Marine. So give us a call at 716-694-0188, and my extension number is 425. Thanks, guys.